Market research. Start by researching product categories and niches that interest you or have a high demand. Consider using Amazon's own bestseller lists, Google Trends, or dedicated market research tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to identify trending products. Keyword research. Use keyword research tools to find relevant and high-volume search terms related to your niche. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Amazon's own search suggest feature can be useful. Competition analysis. Analyze the competition for the products you're interested in. Look at the number of sellers, their ratings, and reviews. Check if there is room for improvement or differentiation. Profitability analysis. Calculate potential profit margins by considering factors like product cost, shipping fees, Amazon fees, and potential selling prices. Tools like the FBA calculator can help with this. Sourcing. Decide whether you want to source products through wholesale, private labeling, or dropshipping. Look for reliable suppliers and assess their terms and conditions. Product listing optimization. Create compelling product listings with high-quality images and well-crafted descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your listing to improve discoverability. Fulfillment method. Decide whether you want to fulfill orders yourself, FBM fulfillment by merchant, or use Amazon's fulfillment services, FBF fulfillment by Amazon. Marketing. Plan how you'll promote your products. Consider Amazon PPC pay-per-click, advertising, social media marketing, or influencer partnerships. Reviews and ratings. Focus on providing excellent customer service to encourage positive reviews and ratings. Good feedback can boost your product's visibility. Continuous monitoring. Keep an eye on your product's performance and adapt your strategy as needed. Amazon is a dynamic marketplace, and trends can change quickly.